You know the number, you know the name, you know the song, how it goes, go your own way. Well, here's a bit of a story about where you actually have to go your own way when you're with Isuzu Australia. Well, Isuzu, let's see your theory. You say that it's actually saying because of radio frequency, it just doesn't want to start. Well, here I am, I'm trying to protect myself. All the radio frequencies. Oh, okay. Let's see. No key, doesn't start. No surprise. Okay, for the people at the same time who want to do exactly the same, and they don't want to, they just want to bury their head in the sand. Really, really poor customer service from Isuzu. Good car, don't get me wrong. It's been good when it does want to work, when it's supposed to be doing it. Unfortunately, customer service is non-existent. Crap. Excuse the language. Okay, these guys here behind us, they've really tried to help us out. They've tried as much as they possibly can, but unfortunately, Isuzu Australia is the ones that don't want to actually help. They're the ones that keep on wanting to bury us in the sand, bury their head in the sand. Want nothing to do with us. These guys, again, I stipulate, tried to help us out. They come around to our house, actually looked at it, put it on the computer, tried as much as they could, but they were governed by Isuzu Australia, which their customer service, again, I stipulate, is non-existent. Thank you. So Isuzu Australia, you told me that I've got to live with it. You said, that was your words, live with it. This is my problem. You've got to have, there's nothing we can do. You're not going to do anything with it. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to live with it, Isuzu. I'm going to do a bit of a magic trick. So come around, have a look at the back of the car. Look at the car. Isuzu, this is your car. Going to disappear. Well, Isuzu Australia, you told me to live with it. I wasn't going to live with it. So what did I do? I've gone out and I've actually bought something else. Completely not Isuzu. I bought a better car.